It's really important for me, most definitely when I go to a new location, to try the local food. I think it says a lot about a people. It says a lot about a destination and the way that people approach life. For example, in Slovenia, what surprised me the most about when I first moved here was how special the food was and how serious people were about eating local produce that was in season.
Pomembno mi je, da izvem, od kod izhajajo sestavine, ki jih imam jaz pač v svoji jedi pred seboj. To mi je pomembno.
Mislim, da je to en dober način, da doživiš kulturo, doživiš nek utrip mesta.
Jaz opažam, da je pri tujcih njim zelo zanimiva ta raznolikost naše hrane, ker jih v bistvu po turah vozimo po Sloveniji, s tem odkrivajo tudi različne, bom rekla, kulinarične pa vinske regije. V razmaku ene ure vidijo te spremembe, kakšne so in so res čisto navdušeni.
You know, it's not just a combination of lots of different flavors, it's really like lots of fresh, local produce that really makes it special. So I don't think it's difficult to find it at all because the Slovenes are very proud about their food culture.
So it's completely fresh and right from the gardens and not expensive. Farmers markets back in the US, they charge a double price when they bring them into the city because they know all the city folks think it's fun, like a trendy thing to do. And then they just make it over expensive and it's awesome.
Tujci se veliko bolj zavedajo tega v bistvu, kakor pa mi sami, da imamo toliko dostopno v bistvu hrano, toliko lokalno, toliko sezonsko, ker oni niso na tega navajeni. Nismo dovolj ponosni na to, kar imamo za ponuditi. V bistvu nam tujci, ki pridejo v našo deželo, dajo vedeti, da smo res nekaj posebenega.
Pri slovenski hrani me fascinira predvsem to, da je na prvi pogled enolična, potem pa ugotoviš, da je v bistvu večplastna pa kompleksna.
Malo bolj bi mogli biti ponosni in malo bolj bi mogli to komunicirati po svetu, malo bolj glasni biti, kako super, dobre stvari imamo.
The UK is very much, you can get everything at any time of the year, whatever you want, 24 hours, and for me that's not really special. You eat what is local and seasonal, and Slovenia does that really well.